హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్. ఈరోజు మనం బయాలజీలో ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ న్యూట్రిషన్ ఫుడ్ సప్లైయింగ్ సిస్టమ్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. ఆటోబయాటిక్ న్యూట్రిషన్ మీన్స్ a nutrition which can be prepared their own food. Example, plants can prepare their own fruits. అంటే ప్లాంట్ దాని ఫుడ్ అది ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోగలదు బై ద ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫోటోసింథసిస్. కానీ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్ కెనాట్ బీ ప్రిపేర్డ్ బై దే ఓన్ ఫుడ్స్. దే కెన్ borrow from others, means they can take fruits from the plants and also fruits, vegetables. Example, animals. Next, what about the process of photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which plants can pigment chlorophyll but complex organs. Means photosynthesis is a process by the which green plant pigments in the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is present in the pigments of the molecules. And also CO2 plus 2H2O, the formula of photosynthesis. C.B. Van Neyl in the year 1931, his opinion was that for each molecule of the carbon dioxide, one molecule of water and one molecule of oxygen is produced in this formula. Shall we read now the formula? CO2 plus 2H2O light by chlorophyll, CH2O plus H2O plus O2. This was the formula of the C.B. Van Neyl was the founded. And what could be the reaction of that? The glucose C6H12O6. Now let us read now. Van Neyl first worked in the purple surface bacteria and founded light plays a specific role in the photosynthesis. Instead of H2O, they used H2S as a starting material. Here no oxygen is liberated. Now shall we read now. The Van Neyl was invented the formula and remodeled it in the H2O. Robert Hill, he was remodeled the formula 6O2 plus 12H2O light chlorophyll, C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. Now the plant synthesized the carbon dioxide, the glucose, sugarcane and more complex of the fats, proteins, etc. Now presence of starch in the chlorophyll in the leaves. The experiment we can learn. See the experiment in the textbook. It was the deleted chapter in the corona. And carbon dioxide is needed for necessary for photosynthesis. We needed discharged leaves plant to start with. More discharging, we need to keep the plant in the dark for a week to remove the starch. Take a plant and keep in a dark room and leave for it 1 week. After 1 week, we can observe the plant. See, the plant is like that. A potassium hydroxide plates of photo hydroxide solution, the bottle. For potassium hydroxide absorb carbon dioxide. It absorbs the carbon dioxide and keep a cork in the mouth of the bottle. Instead of leaf discharged plant, spread the transparent bottle containing potassium hydroxide plates. Leave the plant in the sunlight. Next, leave the plant in the sunlight. After a few hours, test the leaf and any other leaf of these plants start a maturation. And the leaf for plant of which explored that the atmosphere air become black and one instant, and the bottle continuing potassium hydroxide which absorbed. See the leaf upside is the blue, black starch is formed, no starch is formed down green. So thank you friends. The remaining chapter is completing in the part 2.